Climate change is one of the most daunting challenges of our time, spanning the realms of science, policy, and human nature. It is a complex issue that demands our attention and action on multiple fronts. But what if we could unveil the layers of this global phenomenon, not just through the cold numbers and charts, painstakingly compiled by scientists, but through the sensuous and elusive language of art? Welcome to the exploration of understanding climate change through art and data, a joint effort by the National Academy of Sciences and the Humanities disciplines. At first glance, art and science may seem to belong to two entirely different worlds. Science relies on empirical evidence, data collection, and logical analysis, aiming to objectively understand the natural world. Art, on the other hand, depends on creativity, emotion, and subjective expression, often breaking the constraints of strict logic. Yet, beneath the surface, there exists a deep and inseparable connection between them. Both have the power to inspire, touch our hearts, and reveal the hidden truths of our planetary home. Scientists have been striving for decades to decipher Earth's climate, meticulously tracking global temperature patterns, measuring the steady rise in atmospheric carbon dioxide (CO2) levels, and documenting the ominous trends in sea level rise. These data points are the cornerstone of our understanding of climate change. However, raw data often fail to effectively convey the full picture of the crisis. Numbers and charts can appear indifferent, failing to convey the genuine sense of urgency or emotional burden. This is where art comes into play, bridging the gap between reason and intuition. Artists worldwide are engaging in a compelling transformation, converting the dry data of climate change into vivid artistic works infused with emotion. For instance, a painting might cleverly use color gradients to represent annual temperature changes in a specific region. Warm tones might signify scorching heat waves, while cool hues depict mild winters. As viewers gaze upon this canvas, they are not just seeing a set of temperature readings. They are invited to feel the slow but steady changes in the climate, to perceive the gradual warming that could disrupt ecosystems and livelihoods. Another compelling example is a unique sculpture designed to gradually melt as temperatures rise. This piece serves as a vivid visual metaphor for the consequences of global warming. As the sculpture loses its shape under the influence of heat, it forces us to confront the reality that our planet is undergoing a similar transformation. With glaciers and ice caps melting, these artistic works are not just displaying numbers, they allow you to experience them on a deeper, more personal level. Art challenges us to envision the future and confront the consequences of continued inaction. It portrays a world devastated by extreme weather events, where once thriving landscapes have turned into barren deserts. Yet, it also ignites a glimmer of hope within us. It shows us a glimpse of a future where we have harnessed renewable energy. Communities have united to repair damaged ecosystems, and a delicate balance of nature has been restored. Through art, we can imagine a better world and be inspired to strive for it. Now, let's delve deeper into the numbers underlying the climate change narrative. Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have released vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This change has led to an increase in global average temperatures, triggering a cascade of chain reactions, including an increase in extreme weather events, sea level rise, and biodiversity loss. The combination of art and data not only allows us to more intuitively feel these changes, but also stimulates public attention and discussion on climate change issues. Through artistic works, people can more deeply understand the significance behind scientific data, thereby resonating emotionally with climate change. The intervention of art makes the abstract concept of climate change concrete and vivid. Artists, through various mediums such as painting, sculpture, photography, film, and digital art, transform scientific data into visual and emotional experiences. This interdisciplinary collaboration not only enhances public awareness of the urgency of climate change, but also facilitates dialogue between science and society. Artistic works play a crucial role in exhibitions, education, and public events, serving as a bridge connecting science and society, helping people view our shared future from a new perspective. Furthermore, art plays a pivotal role in driving social change. Through art, people can express their concerns about climate change, advocate for sustainable lifestyles, and encourage policymakers to take action. Art stimulates the public's imagination, prompting individuals to consider how to address climate change at both personal and collective levels. It reminds us that while climate change is a global issue, everyone has the power to make a difference. In the coming years, Art and data will continue to work together to provide us with a more comprehensive understanding of climate change. Artists and scientists will continue to collaborate, creating more heartfelt works that present scientific discoveries in artistic forms. In this way, we can not only better understand the scientific principles of climate change, but also inspire the public to take action and jointly address this global challenge.